Alright guys, welcome. We're given a question from JAMB 1991, an algebraic expression where we are asked to multiply bracket open x raised to power 2 minus 3x plus 1 bracket close by bracket open x minus a bracket close. To work on something like this, we'll quickly write down the solution. Then we'll copy out our algebraic expression. Our bracket open x squared minus 3x plus 1 bracket close bracket open x minus a bracket close. Next, we use the right hand side of our expression to multiply the left hand side. Use the right hand side of our expression to multiply the left hand side. Hence we have x bracket open x square minus 3x plus 1 bracket close. Then we have minus a bracket open x square minus 3x plus 1. Now x times x square gives us x raised to power 3 or x cubed. Now x times minus 3x gives us minus 3x square. X times plus 1 gives us plus x minus a times x square gives us minus a x square minus a times minus 3x gives us plus 3a x minus a times plus 1 gives us minus a. Now, to proceed further with our work, it's best we rearrange our equation. Rearranging our equation, we have x cubed minus 3x squared minus a x squared plus x plus 3ax minus a. This can also be rewritten as x cubed. We factorize out minus from minus 3x squared and minus ax squared. We also factorize out x squared since x squared is also peculiar to both of them. So we have minus 3 plus a bracket x squared. Now this other side of our equation, we have x and we have plus s and we have plus 3ax. So we can decide to factorize that x. So I have plus bracket 1 plus 3a bracket close x minus, we bring down minus a, and this gives us a final answer to this particular algebraic expression. Thank you.